Today we are looking at an ESI, Easy Systems Inc. large tumble mixer. This unit's fresh off the truck. The unit has a electrically controlled discharge gate. You would simply wire this up for a momentary toggle switch to forward and reverse the direction of this. It's a very simple system. This unit has a 3-ton capacity. As you see it right now is how we got it off the truck. We just simply fired it up to confirm that it was in running condition before we did anything to it. It has not been power washed. This unit is equipped with a 10 horsepower 3-phase electric motor. It does have a safety shield. It does have a safety shield, but we removed it just to get the unit wired and fired up. The unit started strong and has been running for almost an hour now. Seems to be in good running condition. It has not been brought through the shop. This is just how we got it off the truck, as you see it here. It's rotating. I did test the electric actuating discharge gate, and it does function as it should. As I look down inside the machine, as you can see, it has a large, I would say 18-inch by 24-inch inlet and a matching outlet, discharging at approximately 20 inches from the bottom of the steel here to the top of the discharge chute there, or the bottom of the discharge chute, I should say. This unit is readily available through us here at Commodity Traders International. This unit could easily be switched to single phase at the expense of the buyer. It is currently set up with 3-phase, 208, 230, 460 volt, ball door, 10 horsepower electric motor. As I said, this unit is readily available through us here at Commodity Traders International. For all other seed, feed, grain, recycling, and research equipment, please reach out to us. A link to our website will be in the video description down below. Thank you so much for watching.